Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. So in our today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create WhatsApp-like photo preview animation in Android. So as you can see here, I'm having some photos, and if I click on photo, it gives me this beautiful animation, which is same like as any WhatsApp application, right? So this type of animation we are going to create in our today's tutorial. So without wasting much time, let's start our tutorial. So head back to Android Studio and create this type of layout. Surely you'll use recycle view or list view to create this type of layout, but I had created it by using repeated form of image view and text view. So just create it in whichever way you wish. After that, just create an image view on same screen and give it width as max parent and height as max parent, and make it visibility as invisible, and go to your main file. I am doing it in Kotlin, but you can also do it in Java. If you had any doubt, please comment in comment box. I surely help you. And here I had declared some variables at the top. I'll explain you whenever we need that. So for now, I had created the 4 images here, and on all of them I'm performing on-click listener. I am calling a method which is known as zoom image for thumbnail, and passing it my image view and the resource of that image view, right? So here I'm having 4 images and I'm passing one of them, right? So let's go to this method and let's see how we are doing this beautiful animation, right? So what we are doing here is I had this is the image view, which this is this one, which is match parent and height parent. And what we are doing here is we are creating an box in which we are going to show our thumbnail after the animation, and we are using this image view inside that box, right? After that, this is a container which is the parent layout of our layout, which is frame layout, right? This container, we are extending this, and we are setting its x and y axis by using this method. After that, we are scaling them to fit it in the center of our screen, and here we are making our this center image. Once the animation has been done, we are making it the visible, right? And after that, we are setting its pivot x and pivot y, which is scaling alphabets. After that, we are doing this animation, which is on click animation, this animation, right? So on click of this image, we are going to start that animation, and once the animation has been done, it will stop. After that, I am performing the on-click listener once the animation has been done, and here I perform the on-click listener on this. So what I am doing on this click listener, and current animation I am doing it cancel and making it reverse of that animation. So it will go back to its icon, right? On click of this, it will go back to its icon. So you can change this and do whatever you want to do on that click by just changing this part of code, and just that's enough to create this type of beautiful animation. So within some lines of code, you can create this type of animation without so much hard work. It's just, and I think 50 to 60 lines of code. So the link of this code has been given in description, and hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching.